Hello ladies and gentlemen, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 4th Jan 2021 to 10th of Jan 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign or zodiac sign. Just follow ascendant sign, keep ascendant sign in your mind and follow my video. So let's talk for the Aries Ascendant. Aries Ascendant this whole week from 4th Jan 2021 to 10th of Jan 2021. Moon transit in your 6th house Monday and Tuesday. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while signing any document. Don't show your trust on others. This is a time when you may take some loan from government side and your loan will approved. Unemployed person may get job. Monday and Tuesday is very rewarding days. If you are trying your best to finding a job, you will get job. Moon transit in your 6th house, it will bring you a lot of good news from overseas. But you need to be careful about your health. Avoid eating oily food or junk food. Wednesday and Thursday, Aries for you, Moon transit in your 7th house, you will get very good source of earning. Your earning will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Wednesday and Thursday, you will enjoy very good time with your spouse. Your love life will be excellent. You will enjoy all around success. You will get new business partnerships. New partnerships will make you happy. Or someone may enter in your life as a business partner. Aries, Wednesday and Thursday will be a rewarding days for you. If you are trying your best at your workplace, you will get fantastic results. Now I'm going to talk about Friday and Saturday, weekend. You need to be careful while driving. You need to be careful eating oily food or junk food. Even try to avoid oily food. Weekend, you will spend some good time with your family and friend, but this whole week you will see mixed results, some up and down, because at the end of the week Moon is in your 8th house, which is not very well positioned. You are feeling very low. You are feeling very down and low. You are getting confused about your work. You are getting confused about your love life. Aries, you need to perform your best and try to do your wonders, because major planet of the transit is in your favor, like Jupiter, Saturn is in 10th house. It will give you a lot of good results. You need to perform your best. But weekend, don't sign any new deal. Don't start any new partnership. Don't invest your money anywhere. 8th house Moon transit is not very promising for you. So from 4th Jan to 10th of Jan 2021, you will see some up and down related to your professional life as well as personal life. Don't be too much emotional. Try to perform your best at your workplace. You will enjoy a lot of success. But don't sign any new documents Monday, Tuesday and Friday and Saturday. Don't start anything new on these 4 days. Wednesday and Thursday will be rewarding for you. If you wanna start anything new, then Wednesday and Thursday will be a good for you. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants. Taurus Ascendants this whole week from 4th Jan to 10th of Jan 2021. Moon transit in your 5th house, you will get a lot of money. You will get money from stock market. Your earning will be sky high. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your seniors will satisfy from your performance. Monday and Tuesday, ultimate days for you. You will enjoy all around success. Some work pressure may irritate you, but you have the ability to manage the things very nicely. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine and you will enjoy all around success. Major planet Jupiter, Saturn transit with Mercury is in your 9th house. You will enjoy all around success. Monday and Tuesday, Taurus is ultimate days for you. Wednesday and Thursday, Moon transit in your 6th house. You need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your ego and attitude. If you are trying for foreign activities or some foreign transactions, then Wednesday and Thursday will be a rewarding days for you. Some foreign money will make you happy, or some long distance journeys will make you happy. But you need to be careful about your health. You need to be careful while signing any new document. Don't start anything new on Wednesday and Thursday. This whole week from 4th of Jan to 10th of Jan, you will enjoy a lot of success. Unexpected money will knock you. Your health will fine. But Wednesday and Thursday, you need to be careful about your health. Try to avoid junk food. Perform your best at your workplace. Friday and Saturday will be a rewarding days for you. You will enjoy all around success. If you are a businessman, you will sign some new contract or new dealing will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Your daily income will rise. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. Some new business partnerships will make you happy. Your spouse will support you. You will enjoy all around success. Taurus, weekend will be ultimate time when you will spend some quality time with your family and friend. You will enjoy a lot of success. This whole week is very productive in the terms of fortune. Good fortune is in your favor and your mud will become in gold. Taurus, you need to perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of opportunities, rewards, passion, success. Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday will be ultimate days for you. You will get some unexpected money from stock market. Your earning will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine. Your family or your friends will support you. Taurus, you need to perform your best. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury is in your 9th house. In this whole week, you will enjoy good fortune. Good fortune is in your pocket. You need to cash your good fortune. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendants. Gemini Ascendants, Moon transit in your 4th house, Monday and Tuesday. Your relationship with your mother will be ultimate. You will enjoy very good time with your mother. Some blessings of your mother will make your life easy and better. You will get some gift from your mother's side. If you take blessings from your mother's side, you will be sky high. But you need to be careful while talking with elders at your home because Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury is in your 8th house. From 4th January to 10th January 2021, you need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your attitude. Monday and Tuesday, you will get a lot of blessings and gift from your mother's side. Relationship with your mother will be ultimate. Wednesday and Thursday, Moon transit in your 5th house. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. If you are investing your money in stock market, you will get fantastic results. Gemini, this week will bring mixed results for you. Moon position in your 5th house. If you are unemployed, you may get job. If you are linked with any entertainment industry or any type of advertisement industry or any type of media employee, if you are, you will get a new deal. You will get unexpected money. Weekend, you need to be careful about your health. Friday and Saturday, don't drink alcohol. Don't eat non-veg. Just perform your best and must go for the medical help on Saturday. Must go for the medical help to needy people on every Saturday. Especially in this week, you must go on Saturday for medical help to help someone who need your medical help. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. But overall, this weekend is not very promising. Friday and Saturday, you are in a deep tension and stress. You are not feeling comfortable. You are thinking very negative. Your life is you can say you are thinking like this, your life is going in a wrong direction. You are trying to put your best, you are trying to put your hard work at your workplace, but results are zero. So you need to be careful on weekend and don't show your attitude or ego in front of others. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. Cancer Ascendants, Monday and Tuesday, your confidence level will be sky high. You will enjoy a lot of benefit. You will enjoy a lot of success. Cancer Ascendants, your siblings will support you. You will enjoy a good time with your family and friends on Monday and Tuesday. From 4th Jan to 10th Jan 2021, you will enjoy very good time with your family and friend. Wednesday and Thursday, blessings of your mother will make your way easy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will fine and you will spend some quality time with your siblings and your mother. Cancer, you need to perform your best at your workplace because your work is going to give you a lot of profits because Mars is transit in your 10th house in on sign, which will bring good fortune for you. Cancer, you need to perform your best. From 4th Jan to 10th Jan 2021, you will be sky high and top. If you are trying to put your effort at your workplace, you will definitely be blessed with a lot of success. Weekend, Moon transit in your 5th house, Friday and Saturday. You will be blessed with a lot of money. You will be blessed with a new source of earning, will develop. Blessings of your mother will make your life easy and better. Cancer, you should take blessings from your mother's side every day morning before start your day. You should take, blessings, or you should touch feet of your mother every day morning before start your day. You will be top. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Some short distance journeys will make you happy. Start of the new year 2021, this first week from 4th Jan to 10th Jan will be rewarding and wonderful for you. If you want to do something new, then you must start. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains, good health, new business opportunities, new business partnerships are there. But you try to perform your best, and you must take blessings of your mother and must read this mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya 108 times, 151 times, 201 times. More you chant this mantra, more you feel much positivity. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. Leo Sanders, Monday and Tuesday rewarding days for you. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Your bank balance will rise. You will enjoy a lot of cash. Cash in hand will make you happy. Your family will support you. You will enjoy a lot of good moments with your family and friend. Your elders will support you. Your father blessings are there for you, and you will enjoy a lot of benefits and comforts. Leo, this whole week is very productive for you. From 4th Jan to 10th Jan 2021, you will be sky high. Wednesday and Thursday, your confidence level is sky high. You will be rock. Your siblings will help you, or you may help your siblings. Some short distance journeys will make you happy. There is a strong chances to signing some new contract or any new business deal on Wednesday and Thursday. Good gains are there. Your all pending work will click. Leo, Friday and Saturday, moon transit in your 4th house. Relationship with your mother will be ultimate, and you will enjoy some quality time with your family and friend. Blessings of your mother will make your life easy and better. And you will sign some new documents at your workplace. You will enjoy all around success. You need to perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of happiness for you. Some unexpected gains are there. You will enjoy a very good time with your family and friend. You will enjoy all type of comforts. You just need to perform your best and do everything with great honesty, and must take blessings of your father's side. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Sanders from 4th Jan to 10th of Jan 2021. Moon transit in your 1st house on Monday and Tuesday. You will enjoy a lot of positive energy. Some unexpected gains are there. Unemployed people may get job. Your self-respect will rise. You will enjoy very good energy. You feel very positive. This whole week, Virgo, this is a wonderful week for you. Moon create 5-9 Yoga from Jupiter. Moon transit in your 1st house, Jupiter Saturn is in your 5th house, create a 5-9 Yoga on Monday and Tuesday. If you are finding a new job, if you are trying to switch off your new job, then Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding days. Some unexpected money will make you happy. If you are investing your money in real estate or stock market, you will be blessed with a great profit. Your savings will rise, your self-respect will rise, you will enjoy a good time with your family and friend. You need to perform your best at your workplace. This is a wonderful time for you. Wednesday and Thursday, moon transit in your 2nd house. You are feeling much relaxed and comfort. Your savings will rise, cash flow will make you happy. You will enjoy a very good time with your family and friend. Virgo, this is a wonderful week for you. If you wanna start something new, then this is the right time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which is rewarding days for you. Your all pending work will click. You will enjoy very good health. You are feeling very comfort. You are feeling very positive energy. Virgo, you need to perform your best, because this week will brings lot of good news for you. Friday and Saturday on weekend. Some good gains, some good news will make you happy through communication. You may get some email or phone call from far away place, which will bring happiness on your face. You will enjoy all around success. Your family will support you, your health will fine, your savings will rise, you will earn a lot of money. You just need to perform your best at your workplace. If you are trying to find out a job or try to switch off your job, then this is a wonderful week for you. You must try to find a job. You will get fantastic job. You will get very good designation. Virgo, you need to chant mantra Om Gan Ganapataye Namah whole week. Your good fortune is in your favor. Om Gan Ganapataye Namah, Om Gan Ganapataye Namah. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, Monday and Tuesday, moon transit in your 12th house. You need to be careful while spending your money. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not feeling comfortable. Your money will spend on the hospitalization. Your money will spend on the any medical help or any medical treatment at family member, any of your family member. Some unexpected money will create some problem. Unexpected expenditures will create some problem. Your savings and your expenditures is not balancing. You are not feeling comfortable. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while spending your money. Don't spend your money on luxury. Wednesday and Thursday will be rewarding days. Your self-respect will rise and you will earn very good money at your workplace. If you are a businessman, if you are importer exporter, you may sign new documents. You may sign new contract in foreign land. You will bless with a lot of success. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Good health is there. Libra, you need to perform your best. This week will give you mixed results. First 2 days will struggling for you. Unexpected expenditures will irritate you. But Wednesday and Thursday, you will earn a lot of money, respect, name, fame, prosperity at your workplace. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. Libra, if you are unmarried, you may meet someone as a companion. Friday and Saturday, moon transit in your second house. You will spend very good time with your family and friends. You will enjoy all around success. Your savings will rise. Cash flow will make you happy. You will enjoy very good time with your elders at home. Blessings of your elder will make your way easy. You will spend good time with your elders. Taurus, you need to perform your best with great dedication and honesty. You will get results. You will get very good results from 4th Jan to 10th Jan 2021. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio and Scorpio, Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. Your old desires and wishes will be fulfilled and your links will develop with a higher authority. Your savings will rise, your earning will rise. You will get good gains from far away place. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of success. Scorpio, this whole week, Monday and Tuesday, one of the best days for you. Your source of earning will develop. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Your health will fine. Mars transit in your 6th house, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury is in your 3rd house, Moon transit in your 11th house on Monday and Tuesday. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your elder siblings will support you. Or you may support your elder siblings. Blessings of your elder siblings will make your life easy and better. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Wednesday and Thursday, Moon transit in your 12th house. You will spend your money on luxuries item. Some long distance journeys are there. If you are planning to go outside of your birth land or birth country, then Wednesday and Thursday will be a good days for you. If you are importer exporter, you may get new order from foreign land. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts and a lot of success related to foreign land. If you are willing for PR, then Wednesday and Thursday very promising days for you. If you are trying for the work permit, then Wednesday and Thursday very promising for you. Weekend, Moon transit in your 8th house. Your self-respect will rise and your spouse will support you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Unexpected money will make you happy. Good fortune is in your favor. You will enjoy all type of comfort, Scorpio. This whole week brings a lot of happiness. A lot of good gains are there. Good health, good positivity. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You just need to chant this mantra, Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama, 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 Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. More you chant this mantra, more you feel positive energy and good gains are there. Planets are regular watching us. Just do your best karma. We need to perform your best, Scorpio. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Moon transit in your 10th house. You will enjoy a lot of success at your workplace on Monday and Tuesday. 4th Jan to 10th Jan, Moon transit in your 10th house on Monday and Tuesday. You will enjoy great success. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. You will earn some extra money as a commission. Or there is a strong chances your salary will rise. Your relationship with your father will improve. You will enjoy quality time with your family, with your father. Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding days for you when good fortune is in your favor. Wednesday and Thursday, again, unexpected money will knock you. Moon transit in your 11th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. If you want to start something new, this is right time. If you want to switch off your job, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, ultimate days for you. Sagittarius, you need to perform your best. Jupiter, Saturn is in your 2nd house. Mars is in Aries sign. If you are put your 100% effort, you will get 200% results. Be honest, be humble at your workplace. You should take blessings of your father. On the weekend, Friday and Saturday, Moon transit in your 12th house. you are not feeling comfortable. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but overall you will enjoy a lot of success in this week. Take care of your expenditures. Don't spend your money without any reason. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants. Moon transit in your 9th house. Good fortune is in your favor on Monday and Tuesday. You will enjoy all around success. Your seniors are satisfied from your performance. There is a strong chances you may go for some religious activities, or you may go for some charity on Monday and Tuesday. Capricorn, this time your spouse will support you. Your seniors are very satisfied from your performance. If you are trying to switch off your job, then this is the right time. If you're trying to start anything new, then Monday and Tuesday is a rewarding days for you. Capricorn, you need to perform your best at your workplace as well as in your personal life. You feel much relaxed and comfort. Moon transit in your 10th house on Wednesday and Thursday. You will enjoy all around success. Your business will flourish and you may invest new money in your business. Some new business partners will knock you. Your source of earning will develop. Your money will be multiplied automatically. Good gains are there. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, ultimate days for you. If you want to start anything new, then this is the right time. If you want to invest your money in stock market, then this is the right time. Capricorn, weekend moon transit in your 11th house. Your old desires will be fulfilled. You will get a lot of support from higher authority. You will get some unexpected money from stock market. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. This whole week from 4th Jan to 10th Jan 2021, you will sky high and you will be top. You just need to perform your best. Be honest, be humble, perform your best. You will get a lot of advantage. A lot of good gains are there. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Moon transit in your 8th house Monday and Tuesday. You need to be careful. Don't be too much emotional. Don't think about your past. Just try to be positive. Monday and Tuesday is not very productive days for you. Don't invest your money in stock market. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone. Wednesday and Thursday, moon transit in your 9th house. You're feeling much relaxed and better. Good fortune is in your favor. Long distance journeys are there. There is strong chances some religious activities are there. Blessings of your mother will make your way easy. Moon transit in your 9th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy a lot of good gains. But you need to be careful. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury is in your 12th house. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. On the weekend, Friday and Saturday, moon transit in your 10th house. Some new business opportunities will knock you. You may start something new with someone. Partnership is there, or some unexpected gains are there, or you may invest your money is there. Weekend will be a very rewarding for you. Aquarius, Monday and Tuesday, not a good day for you. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, ultimate days for you. If you want to start anything new, then from Wednesday to Friday, you must start anything new. If you are investing your money, then these 4 days will be ultimate for you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. Pisces Ascendants, Monday and Tuesday, moon transit in your 7th house. You will feel much relaxed and comfort. Your source of earning will develop. You will get new business opportunities. Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury is in your 11th house. Your old dreams and desires will be fulfilled. Monday and Tuesday, your source of earning will develop. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your sexual life will be ultimate. Your spouse will support you. If you are in love affair or living a relationship, your relationship may turn in a marriage. Monday and Tuesday, ultimate day for you. When you will make a lot of money, self-respect are there, good gains are there. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind. Unexpected money will make you happy. Your workplace will shine. You will shine at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Some long distance journeys are there. Wednesday and Thursday, moon transit in your 8th house. You need to be careful. Don't be too much emotional. Don't think about past. Just try to perform your best. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Pisces, weekend, Friday and Saturday, moon transit in your 9th house. Good fortune is in your favor and you will enjoy a lot of benefits and comfort. Blessings of your mother will make your life easy and better. You will enjoy all around success. Pisces, Jupiter, Saturn, Mercury transit in your 11th house, which is very good for you. If you are put your 100% effort at your workplace, you will shine like a sun. This whole week from 4th Jan to 10th Jan 2021, you will enjoy a lot of success, peace of mind, gains, savings will rise, cash flow will make you happy, blessings of your fathers are there, blessings of your grandfather is there. You will enjoy very good time with your family and friend, Pisces. You just need to perform your best with honesty and with great hard work. If you put your hard work, if you perform your best at your workplace, you will definitely grow a lot. Thank you for watching my video. I'm praying for your happy future. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.